In this lecture, we are going to learn about trim command. First, make some random sketch. Now select trim command. The first option in trim command is trim all elements. And second option is trim first element. You can see that this line is already selected. Now go to this intersection point and select the another line about which you want to trim. Left click. Now you can see that all lines intersecting these two lines are deleted, that is trimmed. Again select trim. This time select trim first element option. Select this line to trim. Drag the mouse and select point to trim. You can see that it only trimmed the line which we selected, means only trimmed first element. The next command is break. First, select the line you want to break. Now, select the reference line about which you want to break. Now, you can see that the line we selected first is breaked in two parts from reference line point of intersection. The next command is quick trim. First, select the line you want to delete. It will delete the line from its nearest intersection point. Again, select quick trim, but this time select break and rubber out option. Now select this line. Now you can see that it trimmed the line totally from its nearest intersecting points. Again select quick trim. This time select break and keep. As name suggests, it will not trim anything, but it will break the line from its nearest intersecting point. Now delete the sketch and draw some random sketch. The next command is close arc. As the name suggests, first select the arc and it will close that particular arc profile. The next command is complement. Now select this arc. The remaining part of the arc is called complement. This command is used to sketch complement of the arcs. So this was a basic intro of trim command in Catia.